I really like the Schlage Sense. It's got more bells and whistles than the BE 365, which is a workhorse, very solid. And this thing's just got more bells and whistles. I love it just for the one function that it locks automatically. So, and it comes in different colors and whatnot. So this is the Schlage Sense. Let's go for it. Let's see what we got here. I just went to one of the big box stores and bought it. If they're on sale, sometimes it's better price than I can get it off my suppliers. So it's kind of... Let's come back to that. So we got the box. What do we got inside? So inside, there's the housing, the outside, and we have the inside's quite large, and instructions. In the past, I found the instructions to be really good. So we have, oh, batteries, quick set, Wiser, take note. And we got batteries included. You only get one key now. They just give you one key. I guess you shouldn't be using. So it's the popular SC1 key. It's a 5-pin. And that's, we could upgrade this one. So it'll be kind of interesting for down the road. We'll talk about that later. So it's got the bolt is from the edge of the door to the center of the hole. You got 3 sizes. The 2 most popular is 2 3/8. Switch it around, it's 2 3/4. You get the 5-inch back sets, and as far as I know, they don't come for the 5-inch back sets. Mostly that's the older doors or some custom architectural doors. So we have 2 3/8, just a simple twist. Mickey Mouse ears up, and it even says top, so you can't mess around. So the biggest, we get a lot of calls at night where people just buy the lock and can't get it working. They say, oh, the back, it just won't fit. And basically we go like this and then install it, you know. It's a nice kit. This is really good. It's 3-inch back set with a little bit of a hardened strike. So this is in the frame of the door. So this is really good. You can use 3-inch screws in the frame of the door, so it makes it really hard to kick it in. I prefer to upgrade with other stuff, but this is really good. It's got batteries, only one key, that's a pain, and screws and the bolt, and we can go drive-in bolt. This is the rounded mortise for the deadbolts, the square, or the drive-in. So that's all easy to do. Now, the other thing I like about this, it takes a little, it's not much work. Sometimes put a better cylinder in there. I can go one of the high security, like put a Primus in there. Schlage sort of discourages by design. Schlage kind of, their design kind of discourages a little bit, but we just do a slight modification. We'll do another video on that later. So I like to put a little bit better lock in there. You know I'm paranoid, so I don't want anybody picking it. So you could say that's a disadvantage. I think it's an advantage. So I like a key override in case something breaks or the batteries go dead. There is no external power, so you can't hook up power to the outside if your batteries go dead. So you have to use the key. If you're locked out because the batteries are dead, you have to use the key. So that's one disadvantage or an advantage, depends how you want to look at it. I like a key override. And some of the new locks are coming out with no key override at all. We'll show you the problems we're having with those. It's almost like we have to destroy the lock to get in. But that's another series, another video. It takes, as you can see, 4 AA batteries. I find they last. Jesus, the housing's quite well built. Heavy duty. It's not, that's real metal. That's metal on there, so that's good. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.